Once upon a time, there was a little engine who worked on a big railway. One day, the manager asked the engine to take a train over the big red bridge. And the manager was drunk, and he didn't know the bridge wasn't finished yet. Other engines told her that any engine that went on there never came back. Because the bridge wasn't done yet, you idiots! The next day, the little engine was coupled up to the train, and then she set off. Eventually, the little engine got to the big red bridge. The little engine ignored the sign on the side of the bridge and just kept going. The little engine thundered along the bridge. The little engine kept going faster and faster. Then there was one more sign towards the end of the bridge saying, "I warned you." The little engine fell down the bridge. The little engine fell off the bridge. And then she died. The end.